Hey guys, today I went by Walmart and was in the RV aisle and found an RV door window shade. It's by Auto Drive. I have no idea what kind of quality it is or anything, but we've been wanting a window shade, and for 10 bucks, I mean, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but if it does, it does. So we're going to install this thing today. Stay tuned. Okay, this is what comes in the box. You get, looks like it has held on by Velcro. So you get the straps that go around the window, and then you got a shade. The overall dimensions of the blind are 25 inches tall by 16 inches wide. Now let's go over to the door and measure the window. Okay, the height of the door is about 24 and a half. And the width of the door is about 15 and a half. So let's cut the Velcro. Didn't film trimming all the Velcro, but I trimmed it and put it around the window like this. Pretty simple, really, just a pair of scissors. The sticky on the back of the Velcro is super sticky. So I guess we're ready to get the blind and see how it fits the window. Okay, there's the blind stuck on the window. I think it'll do for now. Like I said, it's not the most heavy duty blind, but basically we're just wanting to keep light out, and we'll just see how it goes. We'll try it for a few trips and see if it lasts for any time at all. That's the installation of the Auto Drive RV door window shade. Super easy, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as always, have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.